Woo! Look what just came in, guys. Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you guys are having a great day. So I've been waiting for so long and my parts finally came in for my PC. This is gonna be the first time I've ever built a PC. I don't really know exactly what I'm doing, no experience, but I feel like it's gonna be an interesting video because you're gonna come with me and go through all the learning curves of how to build a PC. Boring! Not to rip on the girls, but a lot of them had the simps helping them out. On this video, there ain't gonna be no simps helping out with this, alright? No simps at all. I just have a 480 gig SSD, got the Ryzen 5 3600, and just got too excited, you know? Yeah, this is my RAM. And I'm not gonna edit like 4K or anything, nothing crazy. I just wanted something to, just to at least run it. Because what I'm running right now is a MacBook Air. Here's my setup. That's my MacBook Air, and yeah, this is my setup. I can't even run, I run another laptop, and this is an old ass laptop that I used in high school. This laptop I use for university, and I need a real ass chair. I've been using this for so long. This is not okay. Don't cringe at my cable management, because this shit's gonna change. That's why I didn't even fix it up. All my friends roast me because they're like, what kind of ghetto ass chair is this? I went with 8 gigs each, so I've got 16 gigs. The HyperX. Okay, I got the Cooler Master Elite 600 watts. Okay, I see my motherboard. Oh, it's my hard drive. Is it supposed to be like that? Is it supposed to come not in a box? I don't know. Is that normal? I would expect this to come in a box, not just bubble wrap. I mean, it came in a box, but I mean its own box, you know? Whatever, I ain't gonna trip. It's just 1 terabyte. And here is my motherboard. I went with the MSI B450. Woo-wee! Alright, and then for my GPU, I went with the GTX 1660 Super. My case. I went with the Deep Cool. And by the way, I'm running stock fans for my CPU. I didn't buy an extra one. I'll probably update or upgrade that in the future. Oh yeah, it's got the fans. Oh, let's lighten that part. There we go. Damn. What is this? Oh, it's the bottom. So initially I was gonna go with the NZXT cases that almost everyone goes with, but okay, although that case is beautiful. The NZXT H710 or H510, even the I, those are tight. Like, those are so clean, so nice. But I wanted to go something different because a lot of the people who build first PCs have ran that case, and you know, why not be different, right? But a lot of people recommend it because that thing is quality. Okay, so now that I have all the parts outside, alright. Now, you open the CPU. By the way, I'm going to be running the stock fans. Don't worry, y'all. We will upgrade on it. Hey, what do you know? He's holding the same one that I am holding. There's my CPU and the stock fan. Okay, I'm holding the sides. Yep, we got the lever up. The logo goes on the side, on the left side. Like so. I can't see shit, hold on. I really gotta use a flashlight up in here. Next is the RAM. Beautiful. Yeah, there's a little diagram that tells you which one's going first, which is pretty dope, especially for idiots like me. First of all, I want to say nobody tells you how like high quality this stuff feels. Nice. Just the side panel screws. So we are gonna install the I/O shield. Beauty. Oh, easy.
That's too easy!
Ah, there you go. I was like, bro, where did it put them screws at? It's in here. Alright. Where? Oh. Yo, I'm tripping, man. Nice, alright. Okay, so back in this thing goes. I gotta use a flashlight. Sucks for me, my screwdriver isn't magnetic, so I gotta hold it down. And just 2 more screws left. Now it's time for the power supply. Ooh, it's got that brand new smell. So there's the Cooler Master 600 watts. Which one is that? Is that this one? This is really ghetto, by the way. I don't know. Whatever. I mean, if it works, it works. Yeah, I know these are the SATA cables. How the fuck are you supposed to get this thing out? Bruh. Or do you just... Ah, maybe it's just this. Ah, it's just this. I didn't need to do all that work. I think I can mount the SSD here, or the SSD on this, like in the same spot, I'm pretty sure. Oh, that's why it's a different screw.
That nigga's tripping.
That looks important. Probably doesn't look right. just based on assumption. I actually don't know. Whatever though, just plug it in. And then these SATA cables plug into the motherboard. Oh, so sweet. There you go. Here we've got the 1660 Super. Look at it. Cool. That scared me. I guess we'll take off this plastic. Okay, for real, if you're Asian, you back in the day or something, my dad would just keep that plastic on. You know, like having the remotes in an Asian household, the plastic is still on the remote. Okay. Now we're gonna put the graphics card in. Oh my goodness. Oh my god! So satisfying. Yes, it is. I guess I'm done? I don't know, I just gotta close this back up. Now I just want to clean up the cables here because I don't want to, you know, a big mess. So let's put it all together. First we gotta plug in the power supply. Oh! Let's go, baby. Oh! Okay, it works. Oh, this feels so good. Got a little bit of RGB. Well, it's not RGB, it's just red. Got the RGB fans. I think the next thing I need is definitely an exhaust fan because I don't have one, which is my bad. I will get a new CPU cooler for sure. Definitely want more RGB, and then I'll upgrade the RAM sticks, or I'll just add, you know, 2 more sticks. Hopefully it'll be RGB because I love my aesthetics. Woo-wee! Okay, now I'm just gonna clean it up and then put the side panels back on. Okay, first time powering it on with the monitor connected.
I was a terror since the public school era. Bathroom passes, cutting classes, squeezing asses. Smoking blunts was a daily routine since 13. A chubby nigga on the scene. I used to have the tray deuce and the deuce in my bubble goose. Now I got the Mac in my knapsack, lounging black, smoking sacks up in axe and sidekicks with my sidekicks, rocking fly kicks.
Anyways, guys, thanks for hanging out. Please like and subscribe for more content, and I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Peace!